Dive into the modern-style Oceanside fiberglass swimming pool, designed especially for the active swimmer in you. With a generous surface area of 602 square feet, it's the ideal choice for those who love pool water games, aerobics, or simply spreading out and enjoying the water. Elegant extra-wide entry steps from both sides, perfect for a grand entrance every time. For an added touch of sophistication, consider pairing it with Figure 4 or artisan handrails. Enhance its beauty with water features, decking, handrails, sports games, and so much more. The Oceanside is not just a pool, it's a playground. Its modest deep end of 6 feet 5 inches and width of 15 feet 2 inches makes it perfect for various pool games. Imagine a winding pool slide landing in the deep end or setting up a deck-mounted basketball or volleyball set on its extended sides. Whether it's a casual game or an intense match, the Oceanside is ready. Ready to make a splash in your backyard? Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.